one pan, and the flavor tastes way bigger than the effort. And yeah, no shells, just lettuce tacos. Use traditional taco seasoning, low sodium or no sodium, but for this recipe I recommend Mediterranean spices that I use for a fresher, brighter flavor. The final drizzle is everything. Creamy, zesty, restaurant-style flavor. Recipe waiting below the description. You're gonna love this because it's healthy, high protein, and super filling. Plus it's got the Mediterranean anti-inflammatory vibes. And the best part is no shells, no mess, budget friendly, and easy cleanup. One more outside the box, one pan dinners. Who doesn't? Please like and subscribe and click one of the videos on screen next. And then next week I'm going to share with you one of my favorite lazy dinners that I make almost every week, and it can be prepared in 15 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Until then, stay healthy and take care.